Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to use incognito window, because most of the time when students basically join and when we are kind of trying to help them sometime online, we ask a student to open your incognito windows. They don't really know what you are talking about, right? A lot of them don't know what incognito windows mean, because sometimes there are some websites that you cannot log in those websites twice using your Google browser. Let's say you are already logging and you want to log in the same website, like for instance, Amazon. You cannot open your Google browser, and when you are already logging in one account here, and you try to log in into another account, it is going to lock you out from the first account before it can lock you in another account. And let's say if you don't want to do that, let's say you are also dealing with stuff like somebody basically make an update, maybe on the website it's not working, and you want to use a fresh browser to test that. How are you going to do? You need to use incognito browser, right? And how can you open the incognito browser? It is very, very simple. Like here, I have my DevOps Easy Learning stuff here. I can open this one, and let's say I am logging here, and I want to log in again in DevOps Easy Learning, but using another account. I can basically use incognito window. And if you click on this three dot, as you guys can see here, this is new incognito window. And within this incognito window, I can log in here into another account without basically affecting the one that I have here in my main browser. Same thing like Amazon. If you're trying to log in, if you are trying to log in like AWS account, and you log in already in your main browser, and you try to log in into another account, that will not be possible. It's going to kick you out. It's going to kick you out of the first account and log you to the second account. But let's say you want to log in into both. What are you going to do? Please go ahead and use incognito. And also remember, when somebody says incognito, make sure that through your Google browser, it is through this three dot, and you can open this incognito browser and you can do some testing as you want, right? That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you'll be notified when we publish a new video. Thank you. Bye-bye.